spray water all over it. Just like that. All right, what's going on, friends? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install this outdoor TV. And if it looks wet, because it's completely waterproof. I know mine is under a roof, so I don't have to worry about mine getting wet. But just in case you guys want to mount yours completely outside and it gets rained on, it will be completely fine. So keep watching and I'll show you how to mount the mount, and I'll show you some of the apps that come on this thing, or any of the apps that you want to put on. All right, let me get this open and see what kind of tools I need. Man, it comes in a super thick box. So if you do decide to look into one of these, it seems very well packaged. I don't want to forget to let you guys know, but I will have a link to this TV and the mount, the TV mount that's going to go on my back wall here, came with it. You could buy this TV with the TV mount and a sound bar, or you could buy just the TV, or you could buy the TV with the mount. It was all like a kit. So it all came together. So we have, and you see I did my hair for this video, so it's looking good. It's not in my eyes. We got the plug, couple bolts looks like. Remote, manual, does come with batteries for the remote, that's good. Screwdriver, I'm guessing that's to probably get into this remote. Hi dogs. It's definitely, oh man, that sucker's heavy. It's heavier than a normal TV. Should have help. My help just left me. I'll just pick up hard. Ooh, there we go. I don't recommend sitting at like that. All right, everything's out of here. Let's lay this box down, and then I can lay that TV back on this box. That sucker's thick. All right, we're just gonna lay that TV there. Whoo, she's nice. But you see what this looks like in the back for an outdoor TV. Everything is covered up. But right down here is where all the HDMI, your cable hookups, your USB spots that you can hook up right there. If you want to hardwire this, probably for internet, but it has Wi-Fi. It runs off of Wi-Fi, so you won't have to do that. I'm going to lay this down so nobody can... I was right, this is metal. Oh, even that. I don't know why. Yeah, it's all metal. That's a magnet. See, you ever had them for your kids to play with? So yeah, the whole back is metal. It's everything that comes in that kit. So we're just gonna sit this here and here, and we're gonna open up this TV mount and see what I need. 4th of July is coming up and we're having a whole bunch of people over, so this TV is gonna be quite awesome for that. So I'm just gonna open this stuff up while I go. I'll tell you, this TV mount, when I got this in the mail, it was pretty heavy. So it seems like a really good TV mount. It's not a super cheap one, if that means anything to you. All the nuts and bolts, keep this separated. Instructions, but stuff's usually pretty easy. Get more brackets. This is for there we go. Like that. Guess we could pull all these little covers off, I think. Or, you don't have to take them all off. I'm just taking a couple off right now because they're in my way. But this is going to get mounted like this, because see how I can, there is, what do you see here? Because the directions are not the best, but there's 2 screws here in the back of this mounting plate that you will take out, and this piece here will come off. So let me take them 2 screws out. I'm going to use a Phillips, take them out. Don't lose them, because you're going to need them to put them back in. Okay, take them out. We can set them aside. And now you're going to be able to mount this onto your TV. And then your TV will just go over that and slide down. So that's how that's going to work. Just make sure you mount this the right way. Yeah, because I can't put it on this way. It won't slide down. This kind of goes in right there. So make sure you put that on the TV the right way. Like the TV should be laying on this part. You're also going to have to take this piece off right here. You're going to mount this to the wall. So I'm mounting right to a stud. So in the directions it says I can put three lag bolts in right up the center. If you're not going to a stud, you're going to have to put more in. So you can kind of look at them directions, and they do have these things, but I like going into a stud. So I think I'm actually going to put 1, 2, 3, 4 in. I just had to kind of figure out how low or high I want this there. So that's going to be different for you. So I'm going to kind of put this together and hopefully kind of guess where I want this. All right, if you're mounting yours and you want it right in the center, that's what I'm doing here. My TV wants to be right centered onto this, which would make sense. I'm going to take these, you got 2 of these short ones and you got 2 long ones. Well, right now I'm putting 2 long ones on and I'm putting them in these holes, at least for this TV. And then you have these little short screws that I'm using in there. All 4, and you can grab four of your nuts and put them on. I think that'll work. And we're going to tighten these up. Yeah, these little nuts here are a 12 millimeter. It does come with a little Allen wrench. Use this little Allen wrench. I have my own set of Allens. I'll throw some of these down in the description also. Pretty nice. You should always have a nice set of Allens anyway. These are color coded. You can even make them magnetic if you run it through this thing. And then it's magnetic, see? And it stays on. So that's a 5 millimeter. Glad you're watching this video because I was stumped for a second. I thought I was missing 4 bolts, but in the kit, the bag that came with the TV has 4 more bolts that are long. You're going to need them long bolts for mounting to this, like because I took the short ones out. So then you'll use these. Yeah, you'll use these 4, which are like flat. These are the 4 that came with the mounting kit for on the wall. We'll use them. They're going to mount this together. And these 4 are going to mount this whole piece to the TV. Make sure when you put this down, you don't cover up where you got to put your other screws in. All right, I'm going to take them ones that came with the mounting kit that have kind of a flat end on it, real big. There we go. Oh yeah, she's gonna line right up. The smaller little half circle goes up here. You're gonna have this down there, so make sure you don't have it upside down, or you're gonna have your TV upside down.
1, 2, 3, 4.
If you think you got everything correct, you can mount this to your TV. Those would be with the ones that came with your TV. I think I'm going to put these little spacers in, just because then it won't be metal on metal, just because it's outside. Check it with it. I don't want to over tighten them. Oh, that's good. Okay. Don't get all kind of He-Man on this. You won't break anything. Don't get real strong on this is what I mean. Some of y'all might not know who He-Man is. All right, that's good. Now all I have to do is mount this on the wall. This is where I have a nice stud back there. I just had to check that because it's been a while since I built this. I'm going to put mine right here. I'm going to mark all these holes. That's where I got to drill. And I'm using a 5/32 inch. I'm using a 5/32 inch drill bit because I don't have metric drill bits. All right, I got them 4 12mm lag bolts. That's what I'm using. It does say in the directions you could use 3 if you want, but I think more is better. Where's my level? All right, I got this all mounted up here. Make sure you use your level. Make sure it's level. I just kind of put that level right up on top here. That's how I did it. The only thing is, I don't know if I can get this piece on. Oh yeah, good. I took that mounting plate off and I cut the tops off and I repainted it because I didn't like how they stuck out the top, but you don't have to. I just think it's gonna look better. So now I'm gonna take this off, and this is what I'm doing. If yours is down closer, you can do this later, but I'm gonna plug my plug in, and if you have any HDMI cables or if you're wiring this, hardwiring this for your internet, or I'm gonna put all this on right now so I don't have to try to do this when it's way up there. While I'm doing this, I can show you what's all back here. It's nice that this is all sealed up, so no bugs hopefully get in here. Just the metal comes up. Just take that metal up. Okay, so, all right, looks like we have, it says RJ45 optical out, so that would be for something like a speaker. You got just a regular cable hookup, HDMI 1, 2, and 3 for all HDMIs, 2 USB. You got a little plug for speakers. But I'm gonna run this off of Wi-Fi, so I'm just gonna plug this in right here, and then this hooks around it so it can't pull out. That's kind of neat. And then, then you see the bottom has this foam there that goes around the cords. So no bugs hopefully will get in there. Put all these back on. Yeah, you got it? Got the edge a little bit? Can I slide it over a little? I just want to get up here. Am I looking? Now, I'm going to lift it up there. You kind of tell me if I got to go higher or lower. I got to hit that hole.
All right. You're on it.
Is it hanging on it?
I think so.
Are you sure? Because if I let go and this falls, can you go up there and kind of see it's hanging? Feels weird, like it'll swing back and forth.
I can't really. Can you move it back that way to see if it's hanging on there?
No, I can't.
So it's hanging.
All right, this just seemed too easy. I was scared for a second. That stick on there since it's metal. Oh yeah, look at that. Level. I want a crooked TV. Does it look level?
Yeah. It's like right in the middle.
It is 3 times brighter than a home TV. All right, it's working. Remote accessories plus back and home. Oh, I don't have to do that. So skip English. Set up Google TV. All right, I'm all signed in to the my Google account. I picked some of the things I have, like Prime Video, YouTube TV. Oh, there we go.
Can you go bring?
Just try it out. Everything else will probably come in check. All right, so if my alkalinity is low, I'll just use this baking soda, and it says right on the back of the bag, it will show you right here, if your pH is less than 7.2, add 3 to 4 pounds for every 10,000 gallons. And like I said, this is an above ground pool. I have about a 13,000 gallon pool, so maybe I'll put in about 4 pounds to try to get
Definitely
my
looks
pH
good,
to a normal
nice
level.
and bright.
If it's between 7.2 and 7.5, you might just need to put in 2 pounds. And I also try to keep cool.
Can you fast forward? Oh yeah, fast forward on it. I can do everything. Just like having my
I really
TV
think
inside.
maybe every 2 weeks would be totally fine.
Nice
But I'll show you
and
how
clear.
I really try to keep track of mine. There is a gauge up here. A lot of times these gauges.
That's a nice
will break,
looking beard.
not even work. So
It looks
you don't
trimmed
even
up
really
better in
find
this
the
video.
gauge or-
Oh, I can put different accounts. Oh, home. Here's a home button. YouTube TV. I don't think I'm signed in. Oh, yeah, if I just go to my account maybe. All right, this TV is completely waterproof. You can spray water all over it. Just like that. But mine's under a roof, so I shouldn't have to worry about it. But just in case you have yours out in the rain, you can watch TV in the rain. All right, everything's working awesome. I have my YouTube TV. I do have Amazon on there, and whatever other app you're gonna want, you will have it on there. And it's waterproof. The brightness looks pretty good out here. I think it turned out really good. I hope some of my instruction in this video helped you out with at least mounting the mount system that came with it. So if you want to check out this TV, like I said, I'll have a link to this down in my description, so you can check out that link. Give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, hit that subscribe button to help support my channel. God bless and have a great day.